Now I discuss about interior and exterior angles. Transversal, the angles formed on the inside and outside of the two lines are called interior and exterior angles. Now we discuss about interior angles. The angles that lie between the two lines on the inner side of the transversal are called interior angles. Let AB and CD are the two lines and the transversal is EF. Transversal with the given two lines, total 8 angles formed. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7 and angle 8. Out of these, angle 3, 4, 5 and 6 are the interior angles. Now I discuss on exterior angles. The angles that lie outside the two lines on the outer side of the transversal are called exterior angles. In the same figure, the angles formed outside AB and CD are the exterior angles. Here, angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are the exterior angles.